Hello friends, I am Rahul Gavande. In this video we are going to study question number 7 of practice set 2.3 of chapter 2 real numbers of standard 9. Question number 7 is multiply and write the answer in simplest form. Now here are two pairs. First is 3 square root of 12 multiplied by square root of 18. First of all, we have to convert these into mixed. 3 multiplied by, now to convert into mixed, factorize this number, factorize 12 in such way that in the factor, one factor should be perfect square and second non-perfect. Now how to factorize 12? Factors of 12 are 4 3s are 12. In that 4 is perfect, 3 is non-perfect. Multiplied by square root of 18 here is, but factorize 18 in such way that one number perfect, second non-perfect. 9 2s are, 9 is perfect, 2 is non-perfect. In next step, 3 multiplied by, now separate radicands, separate them. Square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by, here also square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 2. We separated radicands is equal to, next step, 3 multiplied by, now square root of 4 is 2 multiplied by square root of 3 as it is, multiplied by square root of 9 3 multiplied by square root of 2 as it is. We wrote here square roots of these perfect squares. In next step, multiply rational numbers and irrational numbers. Which are rational? Here 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are. Now here we have to multiply these three rational and root 3 into root 2, their product, right? Then 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. And same way here also, square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 2. 3 2s are 6, square root of 6. This is the answer. We converted into simplest form. This is simplest form, mixed. Example number 2. 3 square root of 12 multiplied by 7 square root of 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by square root of, now again factors of 12, 4 3s are, multiplied by 7 multiplied by factors of 15. Now here 15 is irrational. We don't get factors of 15. 5 3s are factors are there, but both are irrational. That's why write 15 as it is equal to 3 multiplied by, separate them, square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by square root of 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by square root of 4 2 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by square root of 15. Now multiply rational numbers and irrational numbers. 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Square root of 15 and this 3, 15 3s are 45. But again we can factorize 45 is equal to 42 multiplied by square root of, now factors of 45 are 9 5s are, 9 5s are is equal to 42 multiplied by square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 5. 42 multiplied by square root of 9 is 3 multiplied by square root of 5 is equal to, last step now, 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12 and this square root of 5. This is the simplest form. Example number 3. 3 square root of 8 multiplied by square root of 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by square root of, now factors of 8, 4 2s are multiplied by square root of 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by separate radicands square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by, now square root of 4 2 multiplied by square root of, now here 4 2s are 10, last step 3 2s are 6 square root of 10. This is the simplest form and we multiplied. Example number 4, 5 square root of 8 multiplied by 2 square root of 8 is equal to 5 multiplied by, I write rational number close together, multiplied by 2 multiplied by root 8 multiplied by root 8. Here square root of 8 and square root of 8 we root together, 5 2s are 10 multiplied by square root of 8 8s are 64 is equal to 10 multiplied by 64 is perfect square, square root of 64 is 8 and last step 10 8s are 80. This is the answer. Number 8 is divide and write the answer in simplest form. We studied how to multiply. This is example of divide and write in simplest form. Example number 1, square root of 98 divided by square root of 2. Now these surds are arranged horizontally. Arrange them in vertically arrange. Square root of 98 divided by square root of 2. Both are like surds. Therefore we can write both numbers in same sign. Therefore we can write them as square root of 98 divided by 2 is equal to, and now reduce them. 98 divided by 2, half of 98, 49. 49 is perfect square. Therefore square root of 49 is 7 and this is the answer of this. Example number 2, square root of 125 divided by square root of 50. Arrange them vertically. Square root of 125 divided by square root of 50. Both are like surds, their orders are same. That's why we can write them in same sign, under the same sign. 125 upon 50 is equal to, now we can reduce them by 25. 25 5s are and here 25 2s are. Therefore answer is square root of 5 upon 2, simplest form. Example number 3, square root of 54 divided by square root of 27 is equal to, arrange them vertically. Square root of 54 divided by square root of 27. Both are like surds, their orders are same. That's why we can write them in same sign again. 54 divided by 27 is equal to square root of, and now 54 is reducible by 27. 27 2s are 54. This is the answer. Last example number 4, square root of 310 divided by square root of 5 is equal to, arrange vertically. Square root of 10, square root of 310 divided by square root of 5 is equal to, orders are same, they are like terms. We can write them in same sign, 310 upon 5. And now 310 is reducible by 5. We can reduce by 5. 5 1s are 5 6s are 30, 5 2s are 10. Square root of 62. This is the answer. Question number 9. Rationalize the denominator. Example number 1. 3 upon square root of 5. Now here in the denominator number is square root of 5 and this is irrational number. Question is that rationalize the denominator, means in the denominator we have to bring rational number. When we will bring here rational number, then that is rationalized, means denominator is rationalized. Now let's see how to solve. Solution. Number is 3 upon square root of 5 is equal to, now what is denominator here? Square root of 5. By this denominator, means irrational number, by this irrational number multiply and divide to this number. I write this fraction as it is 3 upon square root of 5, and now here multiply and divide by irrational number, that is in the denominator. So here 3 upon square root of 5 is from the example, and which number, irrational number, is in the denominator, multiply and divide by that to the given fraction, and now multiply is equal to 3 multiplied by square root of 5, 3 square root of 5 upon square root of 5 into square root of 5. Both are like sorts, orders are same, that's why we can multiply them. 5 5s are 25 is equal to 3 square root of 5 upon, and now square root of 25 is 5. In the denominator we got rational number, it means that this denominator is rationalized. Example number 2, 1 upon square root of 14. Now here in the denominator there is square root of 14. We have to rationalize this. That's why what to do here, multiply and divide by square root of 14 is equal to, now 1 multiplied by square root of 14 is square root of 14 divided by product of this also, these are like square root of 14 into 14, 196 is equal to square root of 14 upon square root of 196 is 14 itself. Denominator is rationalized. Example number 3, 5 upon square root of 7 is equal to 5 upon square root of 7 as it is, multiply and divide by irrational number. Irrational is here root 7. In multiply and divide by square root of 7 is equal to product of these two, 5 square root of 7 upon product of these irrational, 7 7s are 49 is equal to, last step, 5 square root of 7 upon square root of 49 is 7. Here is root 7 irrational, here is 7, this is rational number, means denominator is rationalized. Example number 4, 6 upon 9 square root of 3 is equal to 6 upon 9 square root of 3 multiply and divide by irrational number, that is in the denominator. Now here is root 3, that's why multiply and divided by only square root of 3 irrational is equal to, now product 6 square root of 3 upon 9 multiplied by square root of 3 3s are 9 is equal to 6 square root of 3 upon 9 multiplied by square root of 9 is 3 is equal to, now we can reduce here 3, here 6, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, therefore answer is 2 square root of 3 upon 9. Denominator is rationalized here. Example number 5, 11 upon root 3 is equal to 11 upon root 3 multiply and divided by root 3 is equal to, now product of this 11 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 square root of 9 is equal to Answer is 11 square root of 3 upon square root of 9 is 3. Denominator is rationalized.